morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. So let's continue our lesson in geography. Agriculture we are doing, and we are studying major food crops of India. So first we have talked about and learned about the rice, the staple food of most of the Indians, and we have also studied about wheat, and we have also studied about the millets, various type of crops, that's coarse grains. And now we'll talk about other crops that comes under major crops of India, food crops. So we'll talk about maize and pulses today. So maize is used as food and fodder. It is a crop used by human beings as well as animals. It is used as food for human beings as well as fodder for animals. It is a kharif crop. It is grown in kharif season and needs temperature. It requires the temperature between 21 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade. It grows well in old alluvial soil. Old alluvial soil. It grows very well there in these type of soil. In Bihar, in our states, in Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season also. Maize is also grown in winter. It grows in rainy season and as well as in Rabi season or in winter. So that means in Bihar you can grow maize twice in a year. Maize producing. The main maize producing, corn producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. These are the states that produce a good quantity of, good amount of maize. It's a main maize growing states, used as food as well as fodder. Now we'll talk about pulses. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses. So in India, the pulses are grown and as well as it is consumed. So largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world. We know that it is a major source of plant protein. Those who are vegetarians, they get protein, plant protein from pulses. So major source of plant protein. So that's why here in India most of the people, they take pulses with the rice and chapatis. Major type of pulses grown in India. There are various type of pulses grown in India. Some of the pulses are grown in Kharif season. Some of the pulses are grown in Rabi season. So in both the season, Kharif and Rabi, in both the season pulses are grown. So major types of pulses grown in India are tur, that is arhar, urad, moong, masoor, peas and grams. So these are the varieties of various type of pulses grown in India. Some are grown in the Kharif season, some are grown in the Rabi season. They need less moisture. They do not need much water. They need less moisture and survive even in dry condition. They can survive even in dry condition. That's why it is suitable. It grows in most of the states. This type of pulses, these pulses are grown in most of the states because it can survive in dry condition as well as it requires less water. They restore soil fertility. They are leguminous plants. They increase the fertility of the soil except arhar. Arhar does not increase the fertility of the soil, excluding arhar. So you remove arhar and these urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram, they increase the fertility of the soil, but arhar does not increase the fertility of the soil. So now here, major food producing pulses producing, not food crop. Major Madhya Pradesh, major pulses producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka are the major pulse producing states of India. So they produce a lot of pulses, and Indians are the major consumer and producer of pulses in the world. So now this much for today. So we'll talk about in our next class the non-food crops other than non-food crops such as sugarcane, jute, cotton. There are various other crops also that are grown in India. They are used as commercial crops for the market. They are grown by the farmers of our country. We know that most of the people, they work in the farms, they work in the fields, and they grow for a variety of crops for the people as well as for the industries as raw material. So we'll talk about in our next class. So that's all for today. Stay safe. Go through online portal every day. So according to the date wise, it will be easy for you to go continue. So that's all for today. Work hard and stay safe. That's all. So we'll meet in the next class and continue our lessons. Thank you very much for watching the video.